Masama yung klima ng panahon. Masama ang klima. Kita niyo ba yan? Yun o. Dilim. Ay, naku, ang dilim. Dilim talaga. Nangyayari dito sa panahon. Yung mga dates, oh. Kita nyo na ba yan? Nag-i-start na naman siya. Namulaklak na siya. Tapos ngayon, nagbubunga na. Ito yun na yung bus. Sakto. Mas nakulan yung lakas. Lakas ng ulan. I-stuck yung ano na yan.
This way, what?
Amina! Where's Mina?
Yes, I mean, I thought it was up.
There's another one bus, oh.
Let's take 8.
Kumuha na remembrance. Wait na. For only 30 minutes, become like this.
Did you buy your phone here?
Ha?
Did you buy this phone here?
Iya.
How much?
May this phone to me.
Maybe.
I still have.
What's the name of this phone? I see it has nice camera. Look out there.
Look.
Yeah, you send me those videos.
Oh, yeah, sure. And then, like, 8:30, operation stop. Ang dilim. Saan ka bababa? Doon ka na lang bumaba. Medyo baka ewan ko lang ha, hindi ko lang alam, hindi ko lang sure, pero paano ka
Rather you, doon na lang ako sa basta sa banda doon.
Hindi kung halimbawa pupunta naman siya doon, okay, ay, ito masyadong to, hanggang dito mo yan, be. Hanggang sa mo yan. Ano It's good, no? Really, much better, no? Without the They are saying, instant river. Okay. Instant lawa dito. Instant lawa. Nangingitim-ngitim pa banda dun, oh.
Hanggang kung ulan niya, hanggang 11 p.m.
Grabe.
Ulan pa ulit mamaya hanggang 11 p.m.
Naku. Maglakad lang ako. OMG! Brother! Wait. This side, nagliliwanag na. But this side, madilim. So, ang dilim. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa mundo, pero ang dilim-dilim na talaga. Ano pala, kahit 40. Ano ko, lumalakas yung baka wala na namang bus. Hindi ako makakauwi ng ganito. Lalakas. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Sin. Grabe. Oh. Tal! Tal! This is too much. How we will go home like this? Ah! Nako! Sir! Lumiwanag na po. At least lumiwanag. It will, the stop. Na-enjoy ni Sereno. Nagpakarwash nga talaga.
Tuwang-tuwa siya mo ulit ang
Kaya ka dyan ha. Baka mahulugan ka. Ay! Naka! Bagyo dito! Sir! Five na pero biglang parang nag-alas 4. Parang alas 4 pa lang, no? Parang alas 4 ng hapon. Ayan. Ayan, no? Kanilang pero ngayon bumaba na. Pero sigurado yan, be, buhahan na naman sa daan. Be, mag-stay ka dyan. Sige, ayun, no? May pugad sa taas, oh. Wala na to, naubos na. Ang itim eh, no? Ganun lang. Yes. Sir, take care, ha?
Ba, naka-unli ka ngayon? Naka-unli ka sa...
Yun sa kabilang time check, it's already 6:17. Pero parang siya, it's look 3 p.m. In morning, no? Tama. 6 a.m. I fell down. Parang 6 a.m. dito. O, bagyo dito, bagyo. Typhoon. Typhoon signal number 3. Typhoon signal number 3, this one.
Also the ballroom there.
Sa ballroom.
This one family room.
Also, Jamal, stop.
Only. Because,
In the morning, it's coming dark, very dark.
This one. Lang sa atin.
oo, yung yung maitim na clouds, bumuhos yun, after nun, naglight na. Tignan mo, parang alas 4. Really like it's in the morning. Namang oras na,
It's
6:17.
coming 7 days like that.
6:17 in the evening.
Or,
Oh, bay, paano ka uwi niyan?
lahat din ako niyan. I-door to door niyan ako. Doon naman yung siya nadaan.
See this view.
Ah! He's washing also. He's washing.
Ha?
He lost his sleeve ball. I'm not wearing sleeve ball.
When I go out early in the morning, I saw it's raining. And then I go
You go
out.
back.
I go back. Take jacket. And take sleeper.
Naiihi na ako. Kanina gusto ko na umihi dun.
Ba't ka naiinom?
Nakatayo ko. Shhh!
Left?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
No, the building is there. Only that one, the building. Here.
This building?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, that one.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only here.
No, I will send you a bit.
Naiihi ako. Saan kayo pwede umihi dito?
Akit ka muna sa amin.
Pwede ba umihi?
Paantay ka here.
Chef, I want to pee.
Yeah?
No, there.
Huh?
It's okay.
This building? This building?
If you want to go...
It's okay. Next time na lang.
Okay, yeah.
Naiihi na talaga ako. I want to go
Matagal
pee.
yung elevator dito ba?
This is
Huh?
building, right?
Yeah.
Andiyan ba yung asawa mo?
You check.
Hindi ko lang alam.
I come very near to.
Sige, wag na. Kaya naman. It's okay.
Okay? You check. Give me. I will take your things. Then you can. I will. Huh? Give me your things here. Wait. You want to go with me? Here?
No, it's okay. I will, Chef, can you go? Chef, can I see your face, Chef? You look like artist, celebrity.
You would like to come?
Chef, can I see your face, Chef?
You make picture.
Wow! Wow.
Near, we'll make water inside the car. Like this crazy, like this.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. It's done, kalas.
You come here. You come here.
How?
You transfer here. Yeah, you can transfer.
How hindi?
You can. From here, my phones.
No, it's okay.
Now you finish 1 year, all the front.
It's okay, Chef. Chef, thank you so much. Naku, ano ba yan? Ay, brother! Ay! I'm sorry, It's like a sino.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my dear friend. Naku! Ang dumi-dumi ko! My goodness!
My God. More water here and here. Tell me. So this is. I have problem.
It's okay, Chef. Chef, thank you so much. Ay, brother! Ay! I'm sorry, It's like a sino.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my dear friend. Ah, naku. Naku! Ang dumi-dumi ko. My goodness.